Alright, so in this video we're going to see properties, or you can say property with the one, you can say property, or you can see properties. But what is properties anyway in C Sharp? A property is a member that provides a flexible mechanism to read, write a value of private field. Or you can say actions related to the reading or writing named properties of the class. And the properties provide the ability to protect a field by reading and writing to it those special methods called accessors. So properties can be used as if they are public data members, but they are special methods called accessors. This feature enables data to be accessed easily and with helps promote the safety and flexibility of methods. Alright, so before we gonna see the code for property, as you guys see here, observe here, property is a member that provides a flexible mechanism to read write value of private field. If you know what is a private field, we already know that the field is just like variables there, but what is a private field? If you guys want to hide the data, say from the user or from other classes, you guys need to declare your field as a private. So what this one helps ensure that your field is going to remain in a private, so no one can have access from outside the class to your private field, and this is called encapsulation. So the meaning of encapsulation is to make sure that the sensitive data is hidden from the other classes or from the users. So how to achieve the encapsulation? We have to declare fields of our variables as a private. As you guys looking here, we have a private field, and then we provide public get and set methods through the property to access and update the value of the private fields. So we're gonna see the code. All in all, a property is just like a combination of variables and a method, and it has two methods. If you can see here, we have a get and set. So all in all, we know what is a namespace and what is a class. If you look in here, we have a private field name. You can put a private say string, private string name. You can put a private string, say for example you can put any other color, our private string, say for example our private int, whatever fields you guys want to put a private int, you guys int our string or double, whatever you guys want to put, you can put it here. You don't have to put one, you have to put many as you like. But in order to, so now what happens that because this data is a private, no other user or class or any other class have access to this name. Then if you don't have access, then how we going to make sure that this is going to be usable in our program? So this one here, we're going to put a public string name here. So it has the same name here. If you look in here, that's just uppercase name as this one, and then what we're going to put it here, get, and then set here inside here. So we have a private string name, our private string color, our private string any other thing XYZ, and then we have a public string. We're going to put our method here, and then what happens here, we're going to put a get. So inside the get, keep in mind getter, our you can say getter and setter in PHP or Java or C++. This is called getter and setter, but inside the C Sharp, because we are learning C Sharp, this is called get and set. You guys need to put a get, you guys need to put a return here, because getter gets the name, returning the name, and setter sets the value. And if you look in here, it's get, and then we open curly braces, and then we put a return this dot name, this referring to this object, of this class. This dot is how we access the name here, this guy here, and here then we put a set this, because this referring to this class, dot name means they're referring to this field here, and we assigning some values, whatever values you're gonna say. For example, name, we can put Yazdani or Koraya, whatever, you can put your own name. So now what we have here, we have a private string name and a public string name here. This is a property. This guys here from the top all the way here is a property, and this property got a get and set. And so what we call to this get and set is return. And sometimes you guys make sure you guys don't see this. So you just put a return name. For example, our return, our name equal to value. We have, for the completeness purposes, I put this one this, because sometimes you see this here. But if you guys don't put this, sometimes you're going to see here without this. And then what happens, how we going to use this property? And then once you guys go here at public static void main in your main program, then you guys going to instantiate this class, and then you guys going to put the name of the class. Say for example is person, and then you guys going to put some sort of name equal to new person, and I'm going to show instantiation in the future videos. Then we put that instantiated name, instance name, and then we put a dot name and equal to, we put some sort of value there. So and then we're gonna output that on the console. That's how this property works in C#. So properties enable the class to expose a public way of getting and setting values while hiding implementation or verification code. A get property accessory is used to return the property value, and a set property accessory is used to assign a new value. So all in all, this is the simplest definition of the properties that you guys can see here. Keep in mind, if you declare another field here, say for example private string country, our private string flag, whatever you guys gonna put, you guys needs to declare another one. You guys can't put it inside here because this is just for name. You guys can't put another here. Say for example, if I have a private string country, and whatever country I want to put, I need to declare another property, say for example public string. Then if my field is country, then it's going to be uppercase country, and then I'm going to put a get, and then I'm going to put a set inside the get. Don't forget to put return. Say for example whatever you guys want to put a country, and this dot country equal to value, whatever you guys want to put a value. And then once we got to the instantiation, our making objects, then we see how easy is this to use these properties to make objects, or to make an instance of the classes. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, Cryo. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.